Unable, please contact your dealer. I already put the reverse is not working of a camera vision camera system. You go to the parking and go to setting and vehicle setting and camera setting is on, off, camera rear camera delay off, and we'll see. Still not working. The rear camera is this car is there. This car is there. So go to the camera. So let's change the camera and
let's see. I want you to
okay. C1001 for our 2013 Ford Edge.
We're doing videos.
Of course, it says to remove the emblem and drill through the embossed plate to get taps to a Torx bit in behind. I ended up just pulling the whole trim piece right off the back of the edge. It's a little easier to work with. You got 6 nuts you got to take off and 2 retainers. Just got to squeeze them down a bit, and then the thing comes right off the back of the hatch. Anyways, pull the camera off, and what do I see? I see, as Erico from South Main Auto says, I got crusties. The second terminal from the top is gone. The first one's a bit corroded as well. Look in the harness. You can see it. Focus. Well, you have to trust me. There it is. They're in the harness. So, have to get a new harness, which seem to be hard to find. So I will be getting the same end as the F-150. So I'm going to get a harness for F-150. Nip this one off right there, and solder and connectors on, as well as on the new camera, of course. Okay, I will update later.